Hello everyone, with a new year comes new threats, and MVP wants to take a look back at some of the top breaches around Western New York in hopes to better prepare you for the future. In order to be prepared for the future, we must be knowledgeable about the past. At MVP, we pride ourselves on keeping networks safe, secure, and running efficiently. We don't want to see a hacker cripple your business. Here are MVP's top past breaches that are happening right here in Western New York. Data breach affects Blue Cross Blue Shield members. Newkirk discovers the data breach on July 2016. Investigators determined the unauthorized access first occurred back on May 2016. There's no evidence that indicates the information was inappropriately used. However, the data could have been accessed without authorization. The data included the following: member's name, mailing address, type of plan, member and group ID number, and more information about the patient. This breach makes Blue Cross Blue Shield seem irresponsible. They are legally required to inform their members, ruining their reputation, possibly paying fines, and eventually losing customers. The next breach is a wacky one. 1.7 million individuals were notified of a health information breach incident involving data from the New York City Health and Hospital Corporation. It was the largest breach reported so far under the High-Tech Act breach notification rule, which went into effect in September 2009. What happened was, physical backup tapes were stolen out of a truck operated by GRM Information Management Services, while the files were being transported to a secure storage location. Hackers can physically attack your business, not just hide behind a computer. Always keep this in mind when working for a company that deals with confidential data, whether it's physical or in the cloud. Always be mindful of how data is being backed up and what security practices are in place. The last breach is one of the largest breaches to hit Western New York. It caused over $10 million in damages and crippled the reputation of a large hospital in the Buffalo area. ECMC was a victim of a data breach where thousands of patient information was stolen from ransomware. Thank you for watching MVP's top picks for cybersecurity breaches around Western New York. The more technology changes and evolves, the threats from cyber hackers and thieves will increase. Check out MVP University for tips and tricks on how to better protect yourself, your business, and your networks from being victims of a cybercrime. Visit www.mvpworks.com/university today.